Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to get rid of hiccups. Very easy, very simple. What you'll need is your breath and your in a liquid, any kind of liquid, except for soda. No soda whatsoever. Okay, let's get started. Now a lot of people have their own little way of getting rid of hiccups. Not all of them, but a lot of them. And this is my own little way that I know that works. I've tried all my friends' ways and stuff, and it doesn't work at all. So what you do is, I'll give you an example. Say I'm having the hiccups. What I'll do is, I'll take in a breath, and I'll hold it for about 15 seconds. Now, if you're one of those people who can't hold their breath for very long, then just do about 5 to 10. If you're one that can hold it very long, do 15 seconds, please. I'm not forcing you to do any more seconds than 15 or any less than 15. You can do however long you really want. Sometimes it just depends on what you can do or what you can't. So then after you hold it for about 5, 10, 15 seconds, you take your liquid. While you're holding it, get a gulp. Do it again for 5 seconds and take another gulp. Now then, your hiccups will be completely gone and never come back. Promise. If it doesn't work for you, then do it just a third time, and it'll probably work. But that's how you get rid of hiccups. Thank you so much for watching, and I know that I'll get rid of you and then get rid of it for you. So please, try it, and it'll work. Okay. See ya.